We back here for another episode of Chef Henny. Today we're gonna be making Henny Waffles. You're gonna need Henny flour, Henny sugar, organic meat, organic eggs, butter, and some magic juice. First thing you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of flour. You're gonna wanna make sure you use hen eggs. If it ain't brown, don't bring it around, you know what I'm saying? Technique is everything. Technique! Technique! Technique, 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 technique. Next, you're gonna turn the hen waffle to lid. Extract your juice from the finest sources. Follow me, follow me, follow me. You're gonna whip the ball, give it a splash of milk. Splash your hand. Next, we're gonna add the waffle serum. Pay very close attention to the proportions. We gonna wait. You're gonna fry it to a golden brown. King Henny 517 says that may your Henny runneth over. Henny challenge.